You asked, how to divide 362,880 by 8 using the long division method. 3 is too small. Use 36. 36 divided by 8 equals 4. 4 times 8 equals 32. 36 minus 32 equals 4. Bring down 2, making 42. 42 divided by 8 equals 5. 5 times 8 equals 40. 42 minus 40 equals 2. Bring down 8, making 28. 28 divided by 8 equals 3. 3 times 8 equals 24. 28 minus 24 equals 4. Bring down 8, making 48. 48 divided by 8 equals 6. 6 times 8 equals 48. 48 minus 48 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 8 equals 0. 0 times 8 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 45,360.